Ciao a tutti e bentornati nel mio canale. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Bukola. So in today's video, I will be sharing 6 bonuses you can ask for with your ISEE, especially with a low ISEE bonus 2022, bonus 2022. So I'll be sharing 6 bonuses with you, and the first one I want to talk about is the social bonus, il bonus sociale. So the social bonus is for bills, and this utility bonus has been extended up till the 31st of December 2022. So to request for the social bonus, you do not need to apply for it because it is automatic, but you need to have a valid ISEE. Okay, so you need to have a valid ISEE to request for this bonus, and it is automatic. So the number 2 bonus is the single and universal allowance. I'll be talking about this bonus, this allowance for for a while now, and this bonus you can request for it is called Assegno unico. It is a measure dedicated to parents with dependent children from the 7th month of pregnancy up to 21 years of age. Even if you don't have ISEE, you can still request for this allowance, but you will only be paid the minimum amount. Okay, so if you want to request for this bonus, make sure you request for it before June, so that you won't lose any of the money. Okay, because you'll be paid from the month of January. Okay, so the third bonus I'll be talking about is the bonus nido, the nursery bonus. So this bonus varies according to your ISEE. Okay, but it can be requested without ISEE. This bonus is a reimbursement, un rimborso of all or part of the cost for enrollment and monthly fee for your child's or children's nursery schools. This bonus is up to a maximum of 136 euros or thereabouts per month. Okay, so the 4th bonus is the bonus casa under 36. Yes, the under 36 home bonus. This is dedicated to young people born after 1986 who want to buy their first home. This bonus has been extended to the 31st of December 2022. So if you have an ISEE less than 40,000 euros and you plan to buy your first home, you can apply for this bonus. This bonus aims to encourage the purchase of a house by younger people through a series of exemptions and tax reliefs, but it is applicable to the purchase of the first home. The 5th bonus I want to talk about is the bonus psicologo, which is the psychologist bonus. It consists of an economic contribution to pay for sessions with private specialists like psychologists or psychotherapists registered in the albo professionale, which is the professional register. So this measure aims to achieve the goal of supporting psychotherapy and psychological support services in the absence of a diagnosis of mental illnesses, but it also aims to help citizens cope with conditions of depression, stress, anxiety, or any psychological distress. So if you are going through depression or any other type of stress or anxiety, you can request for this bonus. If you want to see a psychologist, the government will pay for your sessions. The last but not the least bonus is the carta acquisti, the purchasing card. So for citizens who find themselves in a situation of economic hardship, there is also the purchasing card, the carta acquisti, which is granted to citizens under 3 years and over 65 years. So anyone who wants to apply for this bonus must have a valid ISEE, not more than 7,120 euros and some cents, I think. So every 2 months, 80 euros are accredited to the card, and it can be used to pay utility bills in the pharmacy, supermarkets, shops that display the shopping cart label. Okay, so guys, if you have any question, you can leave it in the comment section. You can request for those bonuses. And there's something I want to talk about regarding the Assegno unico. So on the INPS website, you can read the frequently asked questions. So if you have any question or you have any doubt, okay, so you can read it to check. So I saw a comment of someone who requested for the allowance in March, and the person expected to be paid March that same month. No, if you request in March, you'll be paid in April. Okay, so if you request a month, you'll be paid the following month. If you request in April, you receive the payments in May. Okay, so that's how it works. So guys, if you have any question regarding bonuses or incentives from the government, you can leave it in the comment section, or you can always send an email to to me. So if I can answer your questions, I will, and if I can't, I'll tell you I can't. and regarding the nursery bonus, the bonus nido, so you can't ask for this bonus before enrolling your child to the asilo nido. So you have to first enroll your child to the asilo nido, to the nursery, before you can request for the bonus. And anyone can request for the bonus if you're an Italian citizen, EU citizen, and if you have the EU resident permit for long-term residents. So if you have the asilo political document, that you can ask you can request for the bonus asilo nido. The important thing is that you have residence in Italy and you have the same residence as your child. Okay, maybe in another video I will explain more about the bonus asilo nido. So thank you so much guys for watching. Like this video, subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Ciao ciao.